Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over something that I tried out. This is a product that I was sent to use it and let you guys know what I thought. So this was, I received it right before my road trip down to California for Toyota Fest. And when they asked me to try it, I thought this is perfect timing. So this is a seat cushion that is a cooling seat cushion. So it's summertime, it's hot outside, depending on where you live. But for the most part, everybody's dealing with heat. And most cars don't have cooling seats. Some cars, like my GR Corolla, have heated seats, great in the winter, doesn't help in the summer. So I thought this was great, send it to me. I'm gonna use it for the trip and I'll let you know what I think. First of all, I'll just tell you it's fantastic, absolutely fantastic. This is the product right here, and I will go ahead and leave the link so you can pick one up if you want. But this is fantastic. It is super simple to use. It's just a cushion, so it just sits on your seat. There's a couple of hooks here at the bottom that you can loop underneath and hook on. And there is a strap right here at the top that you can strap up and behind your headrest. There is also a strap here that can wrap around the seat where it pivots. There is a power button right here. And this plugs in at the bottom of the seat between your legs, kinda. There is a little mini plug. To plug it in, they provide a plug for your 12-volt outlet, and it has in it a USB-A and a USB-C plug. So if you have something already plugged in to your 12 volts, you can still use them. Fantastic. That was smart thinking on their part. Coming out of this, there are two plugs. Now, this comes one in a box, but it's nice because one power connection can run two of them. So if you end up buying two, so you have one for the passenger seat also, you only need one cord. You'll have an extra cord, or you can put that cord in another car, and so that you can easily move them between different cars. Fantastic. This was more than long enough to reach for in my GR Corolla. I'm going to try this out in some of my other cars also, but I tell you, 10 out of 10 for the execution and the way this worked. And I want to tell you, after being at the car meet all day on a Saturday down in Southern California, sun was out, it was hot, get into the car, turn it on, you crank the air, but my body itself was hot. And this starts immediately with cooling air, and you can feel it kind of go right up your back. Absolutely wonderful, and cools you off a lot. I want to let you know that when it's powered on, if you power it off with the button, then you'll need to go ahead and push it to turn it back on. But if you just turn the car off, when you turn the car back on, it will remember what setting you had it on and stay on that setting. So there are 3 settings, and I wanted to pull this out so I can make sure. I'll tell you this right now, I pretty much had it on high, which it rotates between high, medium, and low. High, this button, this power button here on it, lights up red, medium is blue, and low is green. And they just cycle through those every time you push it. So it will remember though what position you have it. Default is high, but it's nice that it will always remember it when you get back in and turn the car back on. You don't have to touch it and it'll keep working just like it did previously. I don't know a whole lot more what to tell you. It's a fairly simple product, but it works, and it works well. And I mean, 5 out of 5 stars, 100%. So if you're the type of person that you're hot, you run warm or you live in an extremely hot area and you want some additional help to cool down, this is a fantastic product. I'm going to take it with me when I'm working in my work truck. I will use it in any car that I'm driving when it's summertime and it's hot. In the winter, we're cooler, so I don't have to worry about it then. But just a fantastic product, absolutely fantastic. And I'm going to let my wife try it and see what she thinks. And if she really likes it, I'm going to grab another one. And that way she can always have that in her car. I can rotate it for myself amongst different cars, whichever one I'm driving, because it is so quick and easy. You don't have to use every hook. Just for kicks, I tried to see if it would work, and I just laid it in. I didn't hook it into anything, and it worked fine, absolutely fine. So if I was going to leave it in a car long term, I would go ahead and hook it in. But great product, guys. If you got any questions or comments or anything about it, please let me know. Like I said, I'll leave the link up in the description for it. And you know, in these hot dog days of summer, give it a try. It wasn't too bad, I think, going off top of my memory, but I think it was $79. And I will go ahead and I'll put a little note on here if I screwed that up, so that you do know what the price is. And if you go on the link, you'll see it anyway. And from there, I hope your hot summer days are a little bit cooler. And until next time, guys, make sure that you like and subscribe. Share this with other people if you know somebody that would love to be cooler while they're driving. Here's what it looks like sitting on my seat. And you know, in this car it blends right in. Black is black. You see the red power button there, and I come in a little bit. I'm hoping this mic picks it up, but I can actually feel the cool air blowing out of it. So there's medium. You can hear the fans change pitch as it slows down. And there's low, green. Circle back around, red is high. Very, very cool, literally. Well, for anybody that's interested, if you pick one up, I hope you like it as much as I do.